Hi Team UK, I'm excited to celebrate 50 years of Microsoft and to take part in the Global AI Skills Fest. Now, I'm here in the UK with LSEG to hear about their focus on AI skills. I think you'd agree, AI has the opportunity to generate significant economic growth. It's certainly to drive productivity and increase business value. So for leaders like you, how important is AI skilling across your teams?
Really important. And this is almost a challenging topic for a lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of leaders, because we have to have AI literacy across our workforce over time. And in many ways, it's changing so quickly. So I think there's some key elements that we are trying to foster here. One is just curiosity. We want our people to be curious about it. We want our people to have access to resources to learn. There will be some people who either will have expertise or who will develop expertise over time, but you're not going to have that across an organization. Our business, LSEG, we have about 26,000 people. So we want to be able to cultivate that curiosity and have people develop the expertise. We have set up an AI experimentation platform. We have an AI learning hub effectively in-house, so people can go to that and discover more. But it's really important in terms of kind of spreading that skill set, spreading that knowledge, and creating an environment where people can learn as and when they want.
So as part of this schedule, we'll be helping people with prompt management, with co-pilot skilling, and with responsible AI usage and effective usage of AI tools. What is LSEG doing in this space? How are you thinking about the use of AI?
So we are using AI in a number of different parts of the business. I think there's a lot of excitement about what we're doing with AI in terms of the customer-facing part of the product and the product development, and a lot of that we're doing with Microsoft. And for example, the meeting prep functionality that has been launched as of the end of last year. We're also using it a bunch internally in terms of helping our customer service team, in terms of ingesting data in a more efficient manner, in terms of helping our developers, in terms of using AI to help them coding. And it's becoming more and more embedded in terms of the different areas of how LSEG works.
At Microsoft, we're committed to investing in skilling, digital infrastructure, and partnerships to make the AI economy work for everyone. This is why we're giving 1 million people AI skills by the end of 2025. Today's world record will contribute to that goal. Giving people AI skills is at the heart of our mission to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more. AI is not only helping us become more productive, it's removing digital drudgery from our working lives and giving us the tools that we need to do the jobs we always wanted to do. AI skills open up new opportunities for people to learn, grow, and flourish. With this in mind, I visited one of the UK's largest energy suppliers to see what AI skills means to them. Chris, great to be here with you.
Thanks,
Obviously, we're celebrating Microsoft's 50th birthday, and at the same time, our Global AI Skills Fest. How are you taking part in that AI Skills Fest with us?
Firstly, happy birthday. I mean, 50 years old, one of the most amazing companies in the world. Just watching it being a partner with Microsoft, we're delighted to be a customer, to have this partnership that we do. Also delighted to be part of this AI Skills Fest because the future is so exciting. And AI is at the heart of the future. So to celebrate your 50th birthday with a world record attempt in terms of deploying AI is, I think, a really fitting way of setting you up for the next 50 years. We have no idea what the next 50 years, we have no idea what the next 50 months are going to bring. So this is just super exciting. We can understand what's possible, but we're over the moon to be asked to be part of this and honoured.
How do you feel about skilling? How important is putting skills into the hands of these individuals?
It's absolutely critical. I think that it's not just about putting the skills into the hands of the individuals doing the tasks. It's also about helping senior executives understand what's possible. And I think that what we've got to do is to help make people aware of what's possible with AI. If people understand what's possible, they'll start to ask for more things. You therefore need to have a workforce and a web of strategic relationships with people who can actually satisfy that demand. So part one, create the demand by telling people what's possible. Part two, you've got to have people with the skills. If we don't have people with the skills, we'll be left behind.
So Chris, you're sat here in your Hive sweater. Hive obviously is the way that you connect with your customers from an automation perspective in home. You couple that ambition with agentic AI and generative AI. And I'm just interested, are there certain things in this era of AI that you're most excited about and how it will drive Centrica growth and ultimately UK economic growth?
What we've had, businesses like Hive, what we try and do is to give a personalised experience. What companies have traditionally done is they've used the data that they've got and they've used the technology that they've got to segment their customer bases and create experiences for these segments. If you deploy AI properly and agentic AI and you have the right data, then you can have what we refer to as a segment of one and giving that customer a personalised experience. But doing that repeatedly for 10 million customers, we will transform how the customer feels about the services that we provide. The engagement from customers will go up substantially. And in order to have the right productivity gains from AI, you've got to have engagement. So I see the real benefit in this as being a far more engaged consumer who's far happier with the experience that they get. And the more engagement, the more you can do, and you create this virtuous circle. So it's, again, I think I use this phrase regularly, but I think the opportunities are almost beyond comprehension because we've never seen something like this before. I think we're going to see it a lot quicker than other people think is possible.
Many thanks to Centrica's CEO, Chris O'Shea, for showing us just how much they value this AI skills challenge. AI is the next general purpose technology that, like the invention of the printing press or electricity, will revive our local economies, foster innovation across all industries, and even create entirely new careers. So right on cue, we'll now hear from Pearson about how they're driving change within their business, including bringing AI into the education sector.
Hello, I'm Sharon Hague and I'm President of Pearson's English Language Learning Division. It's not every day that we get to live through a turning point in the way we learn and work. But that's where we are right now with AI. A recent report found that 66% of business leaders wouldn't hire someone without AI skills. And at Pearson, we're focused on helping people build uniquely human skills together with the technical know-how to thrive in an AI-driven world. That's why we've partnered with Microsoft, combining Pearson's trusted expertise in learning and assessment together with Microsoft's powerful cloud and AI technologies. Together, we're building solutions that will help learners, workers, and employers gain the capabilities they need for the future of work. Now, this is a critical moment, and we know demand is accelerating. We're excited to support the Microsoft's Guinness World Record attempt for the most people to complete an online AI lesson in 24 hours. Across Pearson, we're rallying all of our 18,000 colleagues and inviting millions of learners and followers around the world to take part. And we won't stop there. We're looking forward to continuing throughout the 50 days of learning, helping people everywhere build the confidence and skills they need to thrive in this new AI era. Working with Microsoft on this shared mission makes me incredibly proud because learners need support now more than ever.
Well, thank you, Team UK, and to our customers, especially for them sharing their AI skilling journeys. Now it's over to you. Please stay tuned for your AI skilling event. And of course, to help us hit that world record.